Hey everyone, in this video guys I'm going to be showing you how to create two surfaces. In this case I'm going to be showing you how to combine a surface with a solid body in CATIA. Okay, but guys, before we jump into the details, do not forget to hit that subscribe button to join the Savvy Engineer community, and without further ado, let's jump into the video. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do here is to go to the start, mechanical design, then part design, then you click on OK. In this case I'm gonna go and click on the XY plan, then click on sketch. I'm gonna draw a centered rectangle starting from the center of the axis. I'm gonna add here 100 millimeter. I'm gonna do the same thing here, 100 millimeter. Then I'm gonna exit the workbench. I'm gonna use this pad command to create an extrusion of 20 millimeter, then hit enter. Okay, next I'm gonna click on this face. Next I'm gonna go and click on the shell command. Click on these faces 1, 2, 3 and change the value of the default inside thickness from 1 to 5 millimeter, then hit enter. Now I'm gonna go and click on this point. I'm gonna select this edge. Okay, then I'm gonna do simple left click, then double click here to change the value from 22 to 20, then click on OK. I'm gonna do the same thing on this edge. Here I'm gonna change the value to, let's say, 75, then click on OK. Next I'm gonna add a point here. Then I'm gonna change this value to 10. Then click on OK. Next I'm gonna use this line command between this point and this point, the first line. I'm gonna add the second line between this point and this point, and the third line between this point and this one. Next I'm gonna jump to the Generative Shape Design workbench. I'm gonna use the fill command, select this line, the second one and the third one to close this contour, then click on OK to create a surface. Then I'm gonna come back to the part design workbench. Then I'm gonna go to insert, surface, based features, then click on sew surface. Okay, then I'm gonna click on this face, then change the direction of this arrow, then you click on OK. Now if I hide this surface, you're gonna see that we created a body. So as you can see here on the screen, this is how you can create two surfaces. This is how you can combine a surface to a solid body. Thank you guys for watching, and do not forget to hit that subscribe button to join the Savvy Engineer community. Thanks for watching.